Welcome back to ECA Tech. Today we're talking about SEO, or search engine optimization, one of the most important tools for driving traffic to your website. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your SEO game, I've got 5 tips that can help boost your search rankings. Let's dive in. Keywords are the backbone of SEO. Research what terms your audience is searching for and include those keywords naturally throughout your content. But remember, it's not just about stuffing in as many keywords as possible. Google's smart. Focus on creating valuable content that uses keywords strategically in titles, headers, and meta descriptions. Showcase your product in action to capture attention and attract new customers. More than half of web traffic comes from mobile devices, so your website needs to be mobile friendly. Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing, which means it uses the mobile version of your site for ranking. Make sure your site looks and works great on phones and tablets. A responsive design is key. Page load time matters. A slow website frustrates users and causes them to leave, which can hurt your ranking. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you identify issues that are slowing down your site, such as large images or unoptimized code. Faster pages mean better rankings. Linking to other pages on your site, as well as reputable external sites, helps search engines understand your content and boosts your authority. Internal links improve navigation, while external links to credible sources can build trust with your audience. At the end of the day, content is king. Regularly update your site with fresh, valuable content. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or product descriptions, high-quality content keeps users engaged and encourages return visits, which search engines love. There you have it, 5 SEO tips to help your website rank higher and bring in more traffic. Stick with these and you'll be well on your way to SEO success. Thanks for watching.